Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, guys. So yesterday we were not live, by the way, here on YouTube, but today we're gonna go live, by the way. So it was a holiday, actually. That's why sometimes we need to rest. So let's see what's really happening on the market. Or before we go there, you can just simply let me show you my special. We have a special for $100. $100. Actually, it's yearly. It's yearly mentorship and VIP signals for 12 months. So if you want some only monthly signals, it's only $45. So what do we see on the market? Actually, we see that yes, Bitcoin actually is still struggling, guys. It's below 25k, but we don't know if this thing can still drop lower and lower. But if it drops again, I think that will be an opportunity for us. That will be an opportunity for us, but you know what, there's nothing we can do for now. For those who don't actually trade or know crypto, I think it's the future. I think it's the future currency, even if now it's things they look like seriously bad. But I think I know in few years this will be like normalized, like the normal currency, you see. So, and it's been here for some time now, even if the sell-off is crazy, but I think the market will still recover. One way or another, the market might still recover, but anything can still happen. So what do we see, guys? I was just exercising, by the way, if maybe you hear me still breathing heavily. So what's really happening is we see that the market is on a downtrend. The market is seriously on a downtrend. So for us to say maybe we need to buy, it will be like something else. It means we have to point out the areas where we can do what we can keep selling as we are on a downtrend, unless if the trend is going to change. But yeah, anything is possible. But currently what I see here is we have an area where we can call it a resistant. I'm expecting the market to reach that area to go lower again, or maybe to break this area and try to push the upside. I can definitely say maybe when we see the market breaking this area, I think it's where we can say yes, maybe the market wants to get out of that resistant or downtrend, and we can say maybe the market is about to push to the upside. But currently I don't see that. Currently, I don't usually see that. So it means we just need to wait a little bit longer before we see actually what the market is heading to. But currently, we just need to be relaxed, and we know that we are still on a downtrend, you see. Now we are on German 40, DAX40. What's really happening on DAX40? The market is still on that downtrend, guys. The market is still on that downtrend. So, but what we see here is, since the market actually, let me do this, or let me just remove that. The market is still on a downtrend, by the way. I just want to show you that actually the market is on a downtrend. So there we see the market breaking out of that small push the upside, which from this area it showed us that, you know what, I'm going to the lower side. And when we check, let me clear this. When we check around this area, we had something around that area. The market respected that area before, so that's why we ended up having something like a support there where the market might respect. And we see that, oh, the market did respect that, and the market did push up after the market touched that, you see. So which means now it still shows that yes, the market is still on a downtrend, and the market broke out of this. And now I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this area, and actually as a sort of a retest, the market might respect a retest here before pushing down again. Do you see that? I think the market is creating something like this. The market might create something like that. I'm not saying it's, but this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to come here, respect this area, and push the lower side, as we are still on a downtrend. We are still on a downtrend. So unless if maybe the market will break this area and start to push the upside, then we will say, okay, the market is thinking otherwise, then it means we have to follow the market if the market is gonna break that area. Simple as that. We don't have to complicate things. We don't have to complicate things. For those who are new in this channel, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. sorry, don't forget to smash sorry, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now what do we see here? We see that yes, the market on gold is actually on a downtrend, but we have to connect with these old areas here. Yes, obviously we can still ignore those areas, but actually when we look at on a bigger time frame, it still makes sense, because yes, around these areas we also had some structures that we can relate to, and we can draw something like that going further. But yes, we still see that yes, it still makes sense. We can still continue with those areas and say, you know what, if maybe the market, that will actually help us, because when we check this area, the market was like seriously consolidating. If I can place it there, the market was seriously consolidating, and obviously it's not going to be easy for us to just jump from this area to that. So we have to connect with the oldest one, even if maybe it seems to be far. I think it's still fine as long as you can see where the market is going. So with that in mind, saying that the market is going to go down, on the market when it's on a downtrend like that, I'm thinking that, you know what, if I think that the market can respect this area, you see this resistance here, the market might respect that and start to push the lower side again, which means now this area where the market was consolidating, it has to be out, because already the market broke that twice, and then now we have a structure like this. You can see that area was moving nicely here, then we had a breakout. You can see where the market is currently, so it means this area is the area that we're going to use currently. So we can start from that area and trying to go back. You see that? Do you see that? So which means now we have something like this, and that now is our support area. Currently on top we have something like that, so we can say now we have a support and a resistance. So it means yes, the market might still do something, the market might still consolidate around that, and some they will call this structure a wedge, which yes, it's a wedge actually, which means actually the market might still respect this resistance and push the lower side around this area. Yes, the market can still push up, but for me to say I need to buy, I will be way too confident to say let's buy after we see a breakout of this resistance, because it's been pushing the market to the lower side. Even around here we had an inner or counter trend line, and you saw the market was respecting that. So for us to say we buy, let's wait for the market to break that, or else let's look for what? For sell positions only. For sell positions only. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil, So what do we see on US oil, guys? So what I see here is, yes, the market, it was on a very nice, very nice uptrend, which was easily, you can easily identify that nicely. So what's really happened is, along the way you can see that the market was nicely going up. Along the way the market broke out of that support. The market pushed lower. Now it's coming back again, which means we can say yes, maybe the market is coming back for a retest around this area where the market broke out. I can just do example with this. So from there I can say yes, maybe the market will respect this area and do something like that and go lower. And remember, this is a very nice gap, by the way. This is a very nice spacing where we can say, hey, maybe we can sell here and maybe the market will keep going lower. But for you to sell, you don't have to sell here. You can place maybe your sell stop around this area. If the market will definitely respect that, it's where you can say, yes, my order will be ready. But beside that, it means maybe the market might still push up. We don't know if maybe the market will do that, but as long as we have a structure that yes, the market did break this area and now the market is coming around that area, maybe that might also might be respected, and maybe we'll see a sell-off. Maybe it will go down up to this area. Yes, and the oil is supposed to go down, guys. Things are very expensive. I'm also hoping that maybe it's gonna go down, but with the structure, we don't know. We'll just wait for the market to do its thing. You see. So what do we see now? We are on US30. So US30 has been selling also, guys. You know what was happening actually. Interest rates which push the market to the lower side. As things are getting expensive, so they have to increase the interest rates. So that's why we see the market also going down. pairs which they go with USD, obviously USD is getting stronger and stronger as they increase the interest rates. So when we go very closer here, we can easily see that, yes, let me show you something on USD. You can easily see that, yes, let me remove that also. You can see that, yes, the market was creating this sort of a move. So I'm expecting maybe the market to respect that area before pushing lower. Why I say that? Because you can see that the market created something there as a resistance. Around this area, we also see an area. And now the market is coming back for a retest. So it means the market might respect that and push the lower side. You see, the market might come there and push the lower side. So let me draw all those areas. Let's see. Pre-market, the market mostly will act like it's a recovery. When the market opens here, you will see things go the other way around. So this is what we have currently. So this area, I treat this area as a previous support. The market broke that, and we see it seems like the market is coming to respect that area. Maybe we might see a pushback again as a retest, but there is a possibility for the market to also push to the upside. You see, if the market pushes to the upside, it's also fine. We will see what we can do, but currently we just need to wait and see if this area is respected or not. If it's going to be respected, we'll see the market going lower, but we can actually check now or maybe focus on that now. I think the best way is to wait for the market to open. Then it's where we're going to see the perfect or the correct direction. But currently pre-market is not safe. So let's push to NASDAQ. Let's push to NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ, guys, it's quite similar to what we saw actually on US30. So on US30, on NASDAQ, it's quite similar to what we saw on US30. Firstly, we understand that the market, yes, is still pushing lower, but the market is creating these structures in the market. But remember, it's not going to be easier for anyone actually in the market to just get all this type of moves. Why? Because there is too much stuff going on. Just look at the structure. Just look what's really happening. The market is going up, consolidation, going down, going up, so much stuff going on. And for us to be safe is to trade. Like, we don't have to just trade now and then. We just need to reduce our trading. You don't have to just trade every time. When you don't see any opportunity, just relax, and then maybe that will save you, because yeah, you might make money when the market moves like this, but the opposite might still happen. So what's really happening now is, yes, the market is actually created this as a support, then the market broke that. It seems like the market is coming back there just to retest, and then before maybe we see the market going down again. The market might respect that area and then push lower. Yes, there's a chance that the market might also break that area and try to push the upside. You see, the market might do that, but currently we have to focus on this zone. If it's broken, then we can say, okay, the market is pushing up again, and we will see what will happen from there. We just need to see what will happen, because the structures are getting complicated or crazier and crazier. Sometimes it's no longer easy for us to draw the resistance or the support line, because the market can break, push higher or push lower, and then start to consolidate, and it becomes like way too difficult for us to draw a nice structure on the moves like that, you see. But anyway, guys, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want to join the winning team, you know what to do. You can check my contacts there. You can WhatsApp me. We're still on that special for only $100 for 12 months, by the way. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that like, share with your friends. The channel is growing very nicely. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.